Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can save a voice message from Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chats section, people, and right here you're going to find stories. So right now I'm going to go back to chats. Right here in chats, you're going to find all of your conversations. So for example, I'm going to click on this conversation. And then right here, for example, if you want to save this voice message, just go ahead and hold click on it. Right here, you're going to find the option to reply this message. You can pin it if you want. So for example, I'm going to pin this message. Everyone is in the chat can see pinned messages. You can see and unpin messages from the chat detail. You can click on pin to save this message and you can always go back to it whenever you're in this conversation. Also, there is right here the option to forward message, and here you're going to find more. You can either bump it or remove it. So there is also another way to save your important voice messages by clicking on forward and then sending it to yourself. So you can send it to yourself in a conversation like this, and then the message will be saved in your conversation. There is also another thing that you can do is to play the audio while you're screen recording your screen. So for example, you can click right here and then start recording your screen. And then once you do that, go ahead and play the audio. Then the audio will be saved in your gallery. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.